Let me ask you a question. Are you a person who instantly reacts to a situation? Yes, then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to give you a message: act, don't react. I was working as a manager in a leather goods company in Madras, and my job as a manager was to look after the production of various kinds of leather goods. For example, bags and purses and wallets and such things. And my managing director and my boss would sometimes visit the company and have a look at what was happening. So whenever he would come, he would just pick up one leather product and he would look at it and he say, "What crap is this?" And he would just throw it away. And I would really get mad and I would instantly react. I would say, "Well, if you don't like my work, you can, just ask me to go. This is the best I can manage with the resources I have, with the people I have. If you are not happy with this, you can get a new manager and you can get the work done from him." And practically every day, my boss would tell me this: "Rajiv, act, don't react. Rajiv, act, don't react." When you react, you are actually looking at things from your own limited perspective, and most of the time it is negative. Being reactive can hold you back and it can keep you away from success. Let's assume that you are speaking to a large audience and suddenly in the middle of your speech somebody gets up and says, "I don't agree with what you are saying." So you get mad and you pounce on him and you make the situation worse and you hurt the person's feelings. So how can you stop reacting? Well, listen to the other person and assume that they are not trying to hurt you or make you look stupid, and control any thoughts of fighting back or rebutting. Then ask open-ended questions if you don't fully understand what they are saying. So if you are a person who is reactive, so see how you can become a proactive and a responsive person. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.